am making coconut cake. Now, I don't have just a plain white cake mix right now, so I'm going to use this confetti, which is fine because it's for Easter. Okay, so you're going to make the cake according to the directions. All right, got my favorite oil sprayer. Okay, there we go. All right, then we're going to put this in the oven and bake it. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Okay. While your cake is hot, you want to poke a whole bunch of holes into it. You're going to take your sweetened condensed milk. And you're going to pour it all over the top, okay? But let me show you how to pour it over the top so it doesn't just flood all the edges. Okay, so then we're going to take, now I already made another gluten-free version. So that is why my spatula is dirty. Okay, or has sweet condensed milk on it. So what I do is I pour it in the center first and start letting it ooze in the center first so it doesn't just all slide down into the edges first without getting into the center of the cake, okay? It's not hard, just keep moving around. You want to do this while it's warm so that the sweetened condensed milk will ooze all in, get all yummy. Okay, now we're going to set this in the fridge for 1 hour before we finish the topping. Here is the poke cake done. Now, I already did a gluten-free version, and this is the bowl from it. So it's dirty or used. Okay, so I got my pineapple and my coconut. Then I've got my Cool Whip or whip topping, whichever one you want. Okay, so we're gonna take all this and put it on our cake. Oh my goodness. Yum. And we're going to spread it all over. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look delicious? Yum. Okay, I'm going to cut it. Now I probably burned the bottom on this because I keep forgetting these dark pans. You gotta use 25 degrees less. Not too bad. There it is. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delicious? Yum. Okay, going to taste test. That is a 10 out of 10. Oh my goodness, that's delicious.